Hi, I'm Lubona from Luxleaf Property Group. I'm very excited today. We are in Fourways showcasing three beautiful houses for Galencia properties. This is a bargain from the developer. You know, times are hard now, but these properties, when you buy from us, no transfer costs, no transfer duty. Come, we're going to guide you on how to do it so that you can become a homeowner in this difficult community. So this property is actually the smallest of all, but has a lot to offer with a beautiful walk-in closet. Come, let me show you. Also has a nice entrance hall, just like the others. And this wall here, they've put a decor there. You can actually put your mirror and your nice table there to do whatever you want, or make it a wall frame. And you have on the left, on my left here is your storage, which you can actually use for your clutter. So it just depends on how you want to use it. This door opens up to the double garage. So all the properties are actually coming with a double garage. You can see the double garage has high ceilings and extra length also, and the floor is nicely done. The properties are also coming with an inverter. So in these times of load shedding, you can be rest assured that you are covered. So buying a Galencia property now from the developer is actually giving you a lot of value for money. I'm in the kitchen, where you have your scissor stone countertops and nice gloss finishes on the cupboards, and touchscreen stove here with an oven. Then you have two machine spaces as well. You can put your dishwasher and your washing machine there. Your island breakfast nook is actually longer, it's big. They've put two stools here, but I can actually tell you can fit more stools. These are just bigger, and there's space remaining, so you can put 3 stools or 4 sizable ones. I'm walking across the living area. They've staged it as a living area. Also spacious, stunning lights there. You have modern, and it just makes the room look very modern and luxurious. The dining room has this door here that opens to the garden. The garden is actually spacious. What is good about these properties is that they are full title, so you can actually have your splash pool, as well as you can actually use the pool at the clubhouse. There's a beautiful clubhouse where you can go and braai, have your parties, and have a swim day there as well. As we go up the stairs, on my right is your guest toilet with a basin there. Also modern finishes. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like and share, and always visit up. We appreciate your support. Come with me to the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, also spacious with high ceilings. That just makes you feel you are in a very big room, and also with a lot of cabinets here that makes your wardrobe usage very easy. You actually don't need to buy a dressing cabinet. You just put everything there. You can put a mirror and you're good to go. The 2 bedrooms share this full bathroom that's also modern, and you can see they have mixed the colors, brown and the white. They just look good together with the touchscreen mirror there. I love the light. It makes the bathroom look very stunning. In this room here is the second bedroom, very big. You can see they have put 2 single beds, and there's a lot of space still remaining with a huge wardrobe there and the door that opens up to the outside, giving you the view of the green belt. We're going to the main bedroom. Big bedrooms that they made here. very, very big. I'm telling you, you will be happy to buy this property. So it has a walk-in closet there. With a lot of cupboard space. You have space, they've actually divided it for both of you. If you'll be sharing with your partner, you have enough space there. And the bedroom, you can see, here they have put a dressing table, but you can actually make a small living area here where you put your chairs and for you to chit chat after a long working day. The bathroom is also nice and luxurious. I love the cabinet, the lights they've put on the cabinet, and your floating cabinet there that has a sink inbuilt inside the cabinet that just makes it look very different and modern. The quality of the finishes here, trust me, unless you come and see them, they are actually top class finishes. So this is it about this property. As we move to the next property, if you love this one, please remember, give us a call. We're always on the ball, and we'll make sure I'll walk with you through all the journey until the property is registered. Remember to like and share. Visit our channel again. Ta-da!